How to make mosquito repellent using sage. It might seem difficult to decide which is worse, mosquitoes or the harsh chemical repellents often used to keep them away. The natural compounds in some herbs, such as sage, repel mosquitoes. So, with a sage-based homemade repellent, you can deter the insects and have peace of mind. Sage advice. By making your own bug spray, using Sage Salvia officinalis, Hardy U.S. Department of Agriculture Zones 4 to 8, and a few other dried herbs, you can forego chemical-based repellents. Then, focus on more enjoyable subjects: camping, hiking, berry foraging, or whatever outdoor recreational activity you like. Step 1. Spoon 2 tablespoons each of dried sage, rosemary, Rosmarinus officinalis, which grows in USDA zones 7 to 11, lavender, lavandula angustifolia, hardy in USDA zones 5 to 8, thyme, Thymus vulgaris, which thrives in USDA zones 4 to 9, and mint, Mentha spp. Cold hardy in USDA zones 4 through 9, into a large canning jar. Tip: keep a ready supply of dried herbs in the pantry for making repellent or dinner. Step 2. Pour 32 ounces of apple cider vinegar over the herbs. Screw the lid in place. Step 3. Shake the jar daily for 2 weeks. Step 4. Strain the herbs from the vinegar, using a fine mesh strainer. Pour the liquid into 2 32-ounce plastic spray bottles, filling each one half full. Refrigerate the herb-scented vinegar for 2 weeks. Step 5. Add enough water to fill each bottle. Use the natural bug spray as you would a standard repellent. Warning: apple cider vinegar may stain fabrics. Test the spray on your clothing in inconspicuous areas, such as the inside of a jacket. Tip: instead of using the herbs in the dried form, use a few drops of each of their essential oils in the vinegar water solution for a ready-to-use repellent. You may find the initial vinegar and herb scents unpleasant, but the smell should quickly fade. To improve the aroma, add a few drops of lavender oil to the spray bottle. Store the repellent in the fridge for optimal freshness. Vinegar is a natural preservative, but dispose of the bug spray if it begins to smell off or foul, or when it loses its potent scent.